Hello friends, welcome to the full tutorial of GetResponse. In this tutorial, I am going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can start to use GetResponse from today. I'll show you how to create a domain email so that you can sign up to GetResponse directly from that domain email, and you can also send the autoresponder email by using that domain email. In my case, admin@pawandakal, this is my domain email. You cannot use some gmail.com type of email, because if you use that kind of email, then all of your email will be gone to the spam folder instead of your subscribers inbox. That's why it is extremely important to use domain email, and I'll exactly show you how you can create this and add to GetResponse. I'll also show you how you can use those subdomains in the GetResponse landing pages. I'm going to cover up everything in a step-by-step process, so watch this video till the end so that you don't have any confusion. If you have any questions, then please do comment below. I will be more than happy to answer you. Please. So now, in order to get a domain email, firstly you need to sign up to namecheap.com, and you can buy a .com domain for 8.88 per year. So you can simply search a domain name and add it to cart and purchase that domain. And next thing you need to buy is a shared hosting plan that will cost you $1.18 per month. Simply click on get started in Namecheap and buy a stellar hosting. Once you did this much, then you just simply click on Namecheap, click on account, and then you'll see this kind of interface. And what you can do is you can simply go to hosting list, and then your domain is attached to your hosting list, and you can simply click on go to cPanel. So now you can see a link that says email account. Simply click on it, and then what you can do is simply click on create, and then select the domain that you have bought. So for me, I will select paidsurveyinfo.com, and I will write, let's say, supports. Okay, I'll write supports, and then simply click on generate, and then click on create. So now your email account is created, and that is supports@paidsurveyinfo.com. So now once you have created, then this is the domain that we recently created. Let's copy it and then click on check email. Now simply open my inbox when I log in. Just tick mark it and click on open. Now this is your email inbox. Now it's time for us to sign up to GetResponse. So just click the link in the description of this video and get your 30 days free trial of GetResponse. Now simply put the email that we just created inside Namecheap, supports@paidsurveyinfo.com. Now let's click on sign up free. So now you can put your name and then put a password that you can remember. So make sure these all are tick marked as green, and then click on create account. So let's save it. Now they have just sent us a email in that email address. Now let me refresh it. So as you can see, I have received an email from GetResponse at this email, support@paidsurveyinfo.com. Now let's click on activate my account. Okay, now let's refresh it. now we need to put our last name at here. Let's fill this information and just select the address and then click on take me to my account. So now you can simply click on maybe later or take me to dashboard, or you can simply cross it. Okay, and so now we have successfully created our GetResponse account with our domain email. So let me click on here and show you manage account. In manage account, here you can see email address. So as you can see here, supports at the rate petsurveyinfo.com is confirmed. Now I can send email from this email address and it will reach to the subscribers inbox instead of the spam folder. Now we need to create the list. So in order to create the list, simply click on lists, and then this is a list that is created automatically, so let's ignore it and click on create list. Now you can give your list a name. So in my case I'll give okay, so this is the name of my list. Now I can click on create and the list is created. Now you can simply click on here and click on make default. So this will be the default list where all of the contact will stay. Now simply again click on this three dot and click on settings and give the title to this list. And if you want to write some description on what this list is about, you can put it at here, and then choose a category whatever it is. So let's click on internet marketing and select the language of the list. So in our case it will be English, so let's put on English. Now if you want to show your address in the footer of each of the email that you send to your subscribers, then you can simply turn it on. So don't put this, I would suggest you do not put this logo because this may cause a deliverability problem, but you can put it if you want. And once you do this much, then click on save general setting. Now in case of subscription, you can receive an email notification whenever a person subscribes to this list. You can turn it on and you can select the email address where you want to receive the email and click on apply. And once you do this much, simply click on save subscription settings. Now in confirmation message, you can simply select leave it HTML and the email will be sent from this email address and the reply you will get is from in this email address. So this is same email address, and you can simply click on save confirmation message. Once you do this much, then it's time to create our autoresponder, the message that we will be sending to our subscribers. So simply click on this menu and click on autoresponders and then click on create autoresponder. Now give your autoresponder a name. In my case it may be day 1 email, and then simply select the list that you want to select. So our default list is my first list 001, so it is pre-selected at here, and select the day when you want to send it. It may be right after the subscriber have subscribed to your list, then leave it 0. If it is day 1, next day. If it is day 2, day 3, you can simply do it. So let's put it 0 and let it be selected. and let's put a subject line. So here is your free video, free book, whatever you are giving to your subscriber as a lead magnet. Free, let's say this thing. So this will be the subject line of the email that your subscriber will receive. And once you do this much, then simply click on design message, and then click on blank template. Always use blank templates. And then click on this because it is totally blank. So now you can see there is a first section for the logo, and there is a section where you can write your message, and below here people will be able to unsubscribe, or they will also be able to see the address, the address that you have kept in your autoresponder, in GetResponse. Now if you want to remove this section in message style, in header, so simply turn off this show view online link. Now show logo is also turned on, simply turn it off. So now you can simply drag this text at here, and you can start to type your message, and this will be the clear message with text only, and it will have the probability to go into the inbox of your subscribers. So now, hi, you have requested for this free thing, click here to get it now, thank you. So thank you, and your name. Okay, so now once you do this much, then you can simply highlight this section and click on this to add the link at here. So let's say our link is google.com. so here the people can get that free link, free thing, and simply click on insert, and you can change the color of this link. So currently it is looking like this, and you can simply highlight to this area and simply change the color, and you can also do bold at here, and it will now look like this. Now whenever someone receives this email and they click on it, then they will be able to receive the free thing that you have promised in your landing page previously. So once you do this much, then simply click on next, and then scroll down below and click on save and publish. Let me refresh it, and then you can see your day 1 email is created. Now in order to create the day 2 email, simply click on this three dot here, and then click on duplicate, and then you can put it day 2 email, and then increase this day on day 1, and change this subject line, and then again click on edit message, and then edit anything that you want to edit at here, and once you have done that, then click on next. Now scroll down below and click on save and publish. So now you can repeat this process. So whenever anyone subscribes to your list, And firstly, immediately they will receive this email, and after 24 hours, after a day, they will receive this another email. Now you can repeat the process by duplicating this email. Okay, so now if you really want to use some powerful email sequence that people would love to click it, open it and read it, then you need to understand about two type of email sequence. That is, one is soap opera sequence, which you are going to use instantly after someone subscribes to your list. You should use soap opera sequence so that they can click they will click it, open it and read it. And this soap opera sequence may last anywhere from 3 to 20 days or 30 days. And then you can send daily Seinfeld sequence. Now you can learn it from Google if you want. Just simply search for soap opera sequence and daily Seinfeld sequence. And if you really want to master the soap opera sequence, daily Seinfeld sequence, and even if you want to master the game of email marketing in order to make a good fortune for yourself, then do consider to read this book, that is .com Secret, where you will learn about this two email sequence and also about sales funnel and how to do email marketing in the right way to get maximum exposure, engagement and sales and conversion. So you should definitely read this book if you want to master the email marketing game. I'll give a link in the description for this book. You can check it out and you can read it. It is from the Russell Brunson and it is one of the best-selling book, and I have read it and it is absolutely mind-blowing and powerful. Okay, so now we have created our list, we have set up our autoresponder. Now it's time for us to create a landing page. To create a landing page, simply click on here and click on landing pages. And then click on create landing page. Now you can see what type of landing page you want to create. You can select any landing page from here. So let's select any one. Let me select this. Okay, so I gave a name to this landing page. You can give it any name and just click on next step. Okay, so now you can simply edit this landing page at here. It is a landing page for a webinar, but if this landing page doesn't work for you, you can select other landing page and create it. So this is a place where you can use the code HTML code in the body section of this landing page, like Facebook pixel or such kind of thing. If you don't need it, you can simply delete it. It will not show in the landing page in that way, it will be hidden. If you need to put that, you can simply move it a little bit up at here and drag this thing at here and decrease it, so you can put the HTML code at here. Okay, and then click on save. So let's cancel it and delete it. Now you can simply put this is an image, you can replace it with your own logo. But one thing, you may be a newbie who doesn't know much about landing page, so don't try to move things up and down, okay, because it may destroy the structure of this landing page and you will find it hard to manage in the mobile view. So simply edit as it is, and you can change the word from here, struggling to lose weight or something like that. Whatever it is, simply edit it, and you can edit it in same way. You can edit this thing by double tapping at here. Okay, so if this doesn't fit, you can simply delete it. So this is a time, I think. Okay, it is a timer and it is a date. Simply double click on it and drag it and delete it if you don't want that. And you can put your title here, secret. Okay, so this is a timer. So you can edit this text, edit anything that you want from here, and once you have done the editing at here, then simply click on firstly save. So now it is saved. Now simply click on mobile version at here and okay, let's go mobile, and you can see it will be in this manner. And you can edit here again, you can edit something here if you need to move up and down at here in order to make it look good in the mobile phone, then you can move it. But I would suggest you definitely don't move these things as a newbie, because it may destroy the structure of the landing page and you will be unable to edit it. So just edit the text with whatever things you want to put. Okay, so as you can see here, it is not seeing nice. You can simply drag it little bit down at here. Okay, you can do these kind of things, no any issue with those things. Okay, and once you edited this, then click on save. Now similar thing you can do with thank you page at here. Simply edit it, edit anything that you want from here and click on save. And then click on mobile view and click on okay, let's go mobile, and edit anything at here and then click on save again. Don't forget to click on save ever. So once you have done this editing, then you can click on next step. And then you can give a title to this page. Let's give it lose weight secret, and you can give a description. Let me copy it and paste it. So this lose weight secret will appear at this place. Okay, so it is important to give the page title, and description is not so much essential. You can simply click on don't index in search engine, because you don't want this landing page to appear on Google search result. So simply click on don't index in search engine, and then in case of landing page URL, GetResponse gives you 3 domain name through which you can create the subdomain. You can also add your own subdomain. I'll show you that after some time. So for now, let's just select gra.com here, and let's change the name lose weight secret. Okay, so this will be our domain, https://loseweightsecret.gra.com. so this will be the domain name. And then you can scroll it below and choose the list where you want your subscriber to remain on. So we created this list, my first list, and it is a default list, that's why it is pre-selected. If it is not, then you can simply choose the list from here. And then if you want confirmed opt-in, so for example, if someone subscribes to your email list and you want them to go to their email address and click a link in order to subscribe to your email list, then you can turn on this confirmed opt-in. But if someone just subscribes, just put their email address in your landing page and you want them in your list, then simply turn it off. And this is the autoresponder sequence that you are going to send them right after they subscribe to your list. So just leave it as it is, day 0 first message. And in case of thank you page, you can simply redirect them to the thank you page. So for example, if someone put their email address in the landing page, then second step would be they will go to the thank you page that we have edited recently, and leave it as it is. And then here you can put the you can simply select the platform. For example, let's say Facebook pixel, then you can put the pixel ID at here in this way and click on publish, and you will start to collect the data from Facebook pixel. So if you want to run Facebook ads, it can be helpful. In the same way, you can do you can put Google Analytics code, Bing ads code, and here are other things. If you want to use it, you can use it. Once you do this much, then simply click on publish. Now you can see this is the domain where your landing page will be shown. So let's copy it for now and paste it at here. So this will be your landing page. It will look like this. You can check it from your mobile phone also. Now if someone subscribes to this by putting their email address, so let me subscribe it. I think abc12152@gmail.com. so here I need to put the name abc and your email. Now let's click on register now. So now we have kept our email address at here and we have reached to our thank you page. So once this happens, then let's click on lists. Now there is one subscriber in our list. So if you click on here, then you can see abc152@gmail.com is added at here. Now let's go to autoresponder and see if the email is sent to that email address or not. Yeah, one is already delivered to that email address. So that was a fake email address, so it was delivered to a nowhere. I think it will be bounced. So now, as you know, we have we will also get an email from here. Let's see, my first list. So someone have subscribed to our list and we have got our in email that abc152 has subscribed to our list. This type of notification we are able to receive because we have done that setting previously. If you remember, you can watch it by going to the previous minutes. So in this way you will also receive the email from GetResponse. Okay, so now it's time for us to add our subdomain. But before adding our subdomain, we need to create the subdomain. So now let's go to our name chip and again to the hosting list. And then click on go to cPanel. Now let's scroll down below and click on subdomains at here. So now select the domain at here. So in our case it is paidsurveyinfo.com. Now you can put lose weight secret. Okay, so let me put dash at here, lose weight secret. Okay, so this will be our subdomain, and as you can see here, lose weight secret.paidsurveyinfo.com. Now let's simply click on create. Okay, so now we have created our subdomain. Let's click on go back, and you can see here is our subdomain, lose weight secret.paidsurveyinfo.com. Now we need to add this domain to our GetResponse account. Now we'll do that. Okay, in order to put this domain in our GetResponse, firstly you need to add a CNAME record, that is squeeze.gr8.com, in your hosting. So let's copy it. So just remember it, okay, squeeze.gr8.com. so let me show you. So I'll also give this in the description of this video. You can simply copy it from there also. Just need it and you can copy it. Now you can simply go to your hosting. So let's go to our hosting list again and let's go to cPanel. And then scroll down below and then click on zone editor. Okay, and then now you can see our main domain is paidsurveyinfo.com, so you can simply click on manage. Okay, once you reach here, simply click on add record, and then simply just select it and click on CNAME, and then put that squeeze.gra.com at here. Now here what you need to put is need to put your domain name, full domain name that you have made previously. So let's put it at here, lose-weight-secret.paidsurveyinfo.com and or dot at here. You don't need to put any https or www in front of this, and don't forget to put this dot at the end after com. Okay, once you do this much, then you can simply click on add record. So now it says lose weight secret already has a record. You may not mix CNAME record with other records for the same time. So now let's go to CNAME again. So here it has another CNAME, so let's delete it for now. Okay, and then click on add record again and select CNAME and put that squeeze.gra at here and this at here, and click on add record. So make sure the CNAME is selected at here. Okay, and click on add record. So again it says already has a record, you may not. So again now let's go to a at here. So let's delete it. So let's delete it. Okay, this one, because it is the exact thing that we are going to add. So let's delete it. Okay, now again let's add record, select CNAME at here. And so this process you will also need to do as a newbie, that's why I'm showing you it. And again copy it and again paste it, and let's cancel this both and click on add record. Now again it say already has a CNAME record, so let's again see what CNAME. Okay, let's just delete it also. Okay, now let's add CNAME record. Sorry, here it is not. Let's select CNAME here and this at here and click on add record. Okay, now let's click on add record. Okay, now it's saying txt record. So let's see. What you can also do is Ctrl F and just type lose and see where is the txt record. Here is one txt record, here is another txt record. So okay, so let's cancel it, go to txt and search for lose. So okay, you need to delete this one. Now add a CNAME record at here, CNAME. Now copy it and paste it at here and click on add record. So now it says you have successfully added the following CNAME record for paidsurveyinfo.com, loseweight.secret paidsurveyinfo.com. So now okay, so the domain we created is loseweight-secret.paidsurveyinfo.com. so this is the exact domain that we have created. So let's copy it and go to GetResponse and click on my account and click on manage account. And then simply click on landing page domains and then click on add domain. And now this is our domain that we have created. Now let's copy paidsurveyinfo.com, that is our main domain, that will be at here, and this lose weight secret is our subdomain, and let's put it at here. So now this is the domain that we are going to add to GetResponse. Now click on add domain. Now it is saying awaiting. Now let's refresh it and see if it will be verified immediately. So it is saying waiting, so it will be verified within 24 hours, and once that is done, then you can add this domain to the landing page that you have created. Okay, so once it is verified, it is still on pending waiting. Once it is verified, what you can do is you can go to menu and go to landing page, and then click on edit page or edit setting. Click on edit setting and then scroll it below and click on here and select the domain that you want to use. Okay, so the domain isn't active yet, we are verifying the DNS record for this domain. The check can take up to 24 hours. Okay, it can last up to 24 hours. So just select the domain and give some optional URL if you want to put. Let's put today or see now, whatever you want to put. Once you do this much, then you can simply publish. Then this domain will not be the for your landing page, this will be the domain that you'll use to visit to the landing page. Now you can use this domain to publish your landing page wherever you want, either in paid ads or in Facebook or anywhere you want. So once you did this much, then click on publish. At the end of this tutorial, I want to give you some tips that will help you to move forward in this journey. See, GetResponse have a live chat option. If you ever feel any confusion while using GetResponse, you can simply chat with them and solve that problem. And in case of Namecheap, either it is about using hosting, domain or anything, if you feel confused, they also have a live chat option. Simply message them and tell them to do the work for you. For example, if you don't know how to use the CNAME record, tell them I can't use, I am new, please help me to do this, and they will be more than happy to do it for you. So I wish you a best of luck in this email marketing journey, and do check in the links in the description of this video. I have provided essential links at the description of this video which can be more beneficial for you in order to do email marketing in upcoming days. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial. My name is Pawan Dakal and I'm signing off. Please do like this video and share it with your friends who need this tutorial, and also please do comment what was the interesting part in this video for you. And thank you so much. Have a great life ahead. Bye bye.